My name is Tawnya Ford. I'm a sales manager at Dunhill Homes. I was placed in a community that had high traffic, multicultural buyers, and I didn't know how to sell to them. And I was being outsold every month, and it was very, very, very frustrating. And I heard about the multicultural buyer seminar, so I went to it, and it changed my life. I ended up, after that next month, I outsold my competitor, and I did so for the next 4 years. And now my specialty is the multicultural buyer, so my company will put me in a community that has the multicultural buyer. I recently opened a new community that has a lot of challenges, and I didn't believe in the community, so I did request for Marsu to come and sell me my own community, which she did, and she's done a fabulous job, and I have sold 9 in the first 2 months and have been pretty successful so far. If you're in a community or you're having issues with a buyer that you don't understand how to sell to, Sell Solve Everything. They've helped me tremendously. Changed my life, changed my family.